Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to ln of sin x. So we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have the u equal to cosine s over sin s dx. dv that is about the s over cosine s squared. So the integration of this one, we have v equal to tan s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, and that is about the integration tan s multiplied by cosine s over sin s dx. We know that tan s that is about sin s over cosine s. So this one we simplify and we have dx. The integration of the s, we have s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.